Hello, folks. Lon Jenkins here. So I have this 30% vinegar here, pouring it in this wide mouth. And get you one of these. These wide mouth spray bottles are great because, as you can see, I'm holding the camera with one hand and pouring with the other. So those little skinny top ones, get rid of them. But anyway, this 30% vinegar, it can be effective in killing weeds. Now, vinegar contains some type of acid, and I think it's called acetic acid. It's like a natural herbicide, but the concentrations of vinegar that have 30% or even stronger will definitely kill weeds, but it will kill everything else. Now, let's put an asterisk on that for a second. Now watch what I'm doing. I'm just spraying lightly right here. I don't know where all these weeds come from over the winter. I didn't know weeds could grow like this. Everything was beautiful last fall, and then early winter, you see this by the fire pit. So I'm just spraying here, giving a decent coating to these weeds. I don't know where all these things come from. Some of this is grass, and grass with the seed tops could be rye. I don't know. I'm not taking any chances. I'm spraying it. You'll notice that there is some moss between spaces as well. I want you to see what happens after a couple of days with the vinegar on it. Now, vinegar is gonna be cheaper than going out to a big box store and buying weed kill. I think vinegar just works for small plants. It does not get sucked up into the root. Now let's go back and look at the crust. See the moss, how it turned brown? Moss on the right is brown, and moss on the left is green. Those tall stalks, they're just dried up twigs now. This is just after a couple of days. It's just vinegar. Nothing mixed in with it. Just sprayed vinegar on this stuff. I was really shocked to see what happened to the moss in between. That stuff is toast. It just dried up twigs. Thing is it does not get sucked up in the root. The other thing that you might want to be careful for is vinegar attracts gnats. So I wouldn't do this too close to your house. Yeah, it'll kill some weeds, but then you may attract gnats. Does vinegar work? Yes. Put it on small weeds, quick weeds. Do not put it on the grass. And be careful of attracting gnats and things like that. Just a quick tip.